My friend, you are stronger than you think you are. Oo, kahit mag-isa ka, yon ang bonus. Welcome to another Real Talk. My name is Glenn. Pag-usapan natin, bakit ko nasabi yon? Alam mo, kaibigan, I know in this generation, in this society, it's all about socializing. It's all about, kailangan marami kang kaibigan or per se, kailangan mas-show na marami kang kaibigan. Kailangan malaki raw yung circle mo, popular ka. Totoo ba? Parang hindi, di ba? Kasi, isipin natin to kung yun ang basihan ng lahat, di ba? So if you've got 1,000 friends in the Facebook, Instagram, o social media, ibig bang sabihin nun, fulfilled ka? Ibig bang sabihin nun, strong ka? No, my friend. I beg to disagree. And I know in my heart that I'm speaking from experience because na-experience ko yun eh. So, that's why I'm so confident to share sa inyo, sa'yo, kaibigan, na hindi yon ang pagiging sukatan of being strong. In fact, it's the opposite kagaya ng sabi ko. Walang pressure na ibang tao na nagsasabi sa'yo, oh, this is how you do it, this is how to... But no, in the generation now, in the society that we have, parang ang hirap makita, di ba? Kaya nga meron tayong real talk. Ito yung mga bagay na gusto kong ma-share sa inyo through experience, through the journey sa buhay ko para ma-realize nyo, makita nyo na merong mga bagay na hindi lang majority o yung nakikita natin na tama. Being alone is not a sign of, may problem. Being alone is not a sign that you are weak. But it's the opposite. It's the opposite. And the key, as I always share with you, is having Christ in your heart. Okay? And you are stronger than you think. Okay? Bye. Till next time. Peace.